Okay, so welcome to Math 242 online course for summer session 1 2025. So this is the front page of the Canvas course. So I want to go through every category to explain what you should do when you are browsing on this page. So under home, I will suggest that you go down here, and what I want you to do is go through those videos and this document here to learn about Alta. Alta is the software that we're using to do homework assignments, quizzes, exams, and then final exam. And also, I want you to, if you want to see me for doing office hours, this is the Zoom link to the office hours. You can just click on this link, and then register maybe the first time, and the second time you may not need to register anymore. But these are the office hours. It's from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. every day. Okay. So you can come and ask your questions there. Now, since we're here, if I prefer that you use the inbox canvas, this inbox here, to send me a message, okay? Because through my emails, I get too many emails, and sometimes I don't keep track on all of them. So if you send me a message through inbox canvas, then I will respond to you as quickly as possible. So, announcements. Make sure to check the announcement every day, because if I want to communicate with you, I will use the announcement category on Canvas. So make sure to check this announcement, because there's a lot of things that I want you to actually understand from this first announcement. So every day, make sure to check your announcements. So sometimes I will send you a message from Inbox Canvas, but most of the time it's going to be on the announcement. Okay. Syllabus. So the syllabus is under the syllabus category is where you have the syllabus of the course. You can download it from here, or if you don't want to download, you just want to look at this, you can look at it online here. But I want also you to look at this document. This PDF document is basically the schedule of all the Alta assignments, including the beginning date and end dates. Okay, so this document is important. You can download it as a PDF file. Make sure to go through the entire syllabus to understand what we expect you to have to know about this course. Modules. Module basically is a way we partition the course based on the contents, okay, based on the objectives. This is the course overview. I will encourage you to explore everything here. Course overview, grading policy, about the instructor, and so forth. So there is a recommended textbook that I wrote. Okay, it's about calculus. You could basically use that. It's a nice book. It will cost a little bit, but you know it's basically a nice book that can help you get the notes and learn a lot about calculus too. So so again, let's go back to modules. Now, The module 1 is, so we have 5 modules. Okay, so module 1 is just based on chapter 6. Okay, you have applications of integration. So week 1, day 1, that's what this is what you expect to do. The area between curves. Okay, so and then day 2 you do the volume of rotation, and eventually somewhere here there's quiz 1. So quiz 1 is going to be based on 6.1 and 6.2. So it's going to be based on this. And then eventually when you finish chapter 6, then there is an exam 1, which will cover all the sections of chapter 6. And that is on week 2, day 3. Okay, now if you want to see the homework assignments, we can go to assignment and see all the homework, or you can start with them here too. And under the assessment, we have quiz 1 and then exam 1. And then we go to module 2, which is chapter 7, module 3, chapter 8 and 10, module 4 is chapter 11, and then module 5 is the final exam. So let's just check this out for a second. So module 5 is the final exam. That is going to happen week 5, day 5. Okay, now how do I do the assignments? Okay, so to do the any assignments, whether it's just a homework assignment, whether it's a quiz, whether it's a test or the final test, always go to assignments here. So if you click on it, it should bring you to the page with all the assignments. Okay, so to do the assignment, like this in a homework assignment, to do it, just click on it, and they should bring you to the alta course. Okay, so the alta course, this is the alta course. Okay, so you can, after studying, you can, after reading the theory and stuff, you can start the assignment by clicking start. So on this page, it tells you that the assignment is June 20, is due on Wednesday, June 4th. Okay, and then you just do the assignments. This is the homework assignments. Now, if you want to do a quiz, you want to listen to me careful now. If you want to do a quiz, click on quiz. It's going to bring you to the alta course, and then from here, you have 2 attempts to do the quiz. Meaning, you can do the first attempt, you do the entire quiz, and then you submit it. And then Alta will give you it will show you whether you got all the grades or you have missed some questions. You didn't get some questions right. So you can use that second attempt to only focus on the questions that were wrong. Okay. So that's what the attempts are for. So every attempt is within the given time. Like this quiz, I put 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so within that 1 hour and 10 minutes, you can do the 2 attempts. You don't do the 2 attempts outside the. If you do the first attempt, you'll have a few minutes left. Then proceed with the second attempt. The second attempt cannot be taken outside of this given time, 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's not that you're retaking the quiz. Okay, it's trying the quiz. When you submit the quiz the first time, within this time, 1 hour and 10 minutes, the Alta will give you the results, and then it'll show you that some questions you got right and the other question you got wrong. Then you can use your second attempt during this same time, 1 hour and 10 minutes, to do your second attempt, and then you submit it. And if you get it right, then your grade can improve that way. So you have 2 attempts. Now, before you do any quiz or any exam or any final exam, you must download this lockdown browser. Because if you do not download it, you won't be able to do your quiz or your exam. So first, you can even download it the day before, or even today, you just download it. So it's there already being downloaded. Okay. And then read the instructions when you're downloading this. It will tell you that you want the PC version of the lockdown browser or Mac version of the lockdown browser. It depends on what your electronic device is. I just pick the right version and then do it. So to do the quiz, you need to download the lockdown browser. To do the exam, you need to download the lockdown browser. To do the final exam, you do the same. The only thing that you do not need the lockdown browser is the homework assignments. Okay, so how do I get to my Alta course and do the assignment? Go to assignments, and then it's going to bring you this page, and then you're going to do the homework assignment. You'll see the quiz. You cannot do the quiz until it's because the quiz is open. Every quiz will open on Friday, and then closes on Monday. Okay. The exams opens on Tuesdays and then closes on Wednesdays. The homework assignment, all homework assignments are open. They are all open. But now it depends on the category. If you are in chapter 6, all the chapter 6 homework assignments are due on June 4th. It doesn't mean you have to wait until June 4th to start doing your homework assignments. Okay, because to do quiz 1, you need to have finished 6.1 and 6.2. Now, there will be no extension on the homework assignments. There will be no extension on quizzes. There will be no extension at all, whether it's a test, whether it's a final exam. Okay. So if the deadline is passed, it's passed. Okay, again, there will be no extension on homework assignments. There will be no extension on quizzes. There will be no extension on the exams. When I said exam, I'll also include the final exam. So grades, to see your grades, so anytime you do your homework assignment or a quiz, the grade will be posted here. Okay, you can see a grade there. And over here it tells you the how it shows the grade category. Okay, for example, all the quizzes are 14% of the course grade. We're going to take 4 tests. All 4 of them is 56%. It means 14% per test. And then the final exam is 14%, and the homework assignment is 16%. All adds up to 100%. Okay, so that's great. Discussion basically is those objective that we split on modules. Okay, so like 6.1, deal with the area between curve. You can do them here, or you can go on module and do them. Okay, so if you click in here, for example, it tells you what you need to do, the area between curves. So these are the videos you should watch. We have the YouTube videos, and we have the notes, the PDF notes, okay, that you can also have. So this is to prepare for you to go to the assignments and then do the assignments. First you have to go through this. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay, so what's important is that to do the assignments, you go to assignments and then do any assignment that you want to do that is open, that is available to you. If the assignment is not available, you won't be able to do it. Announcements, make sure to read every announcement. I will be posting the announcement every day, okay? So make sure to get the announcement. Syllabus, make sure to go through the entire syllabus. Okay, so I think that will be enough for this introductory video for this course, Master 42 online. So thank you very much for taking this course. I hope you're going to have a great time, a great summer session 1 2025 with me. If you have a question, always come in Zoom, ask a question, or you can use inbox Canvas to send a message. All right, thank you very much for listening, and have a great summer 1 session 2025.